Welcome to Short Scale Modelling. My next build is this Wingnuts Sopwith Camel F1. The scale is 1 to 32. First of all, the box, what's in it. You can see the box here is beautifully presented. It's Wingnuts, so they're got a reputation for really good kits and great artwork, so you can tell by the box. What we have in the sprues now, I've already primed these. So first of all, we have a little sprue here, and this is for the engine. You can see here. Next sprue we have is this is for the upper wings. We have the tail, the props, and some other little bit and pieces there. The next sprue is the main fuselage. These will be the bottom wings, I think, with the top connectors there, and the other part of the fuselage, control panel, and cockpit top, or where the gunner sits. And last sprue, there's only 4 of these sprues. We have all the other things. So we have the armaments, the bombs, the wheels. We have 4 different cowls here, so I would imagine these are 4 different options. The struts for the wings, and the landing gear, obviously. It has one clear part for this on one nicely detailed sprue. So we have the windows and so forth, locating lights, I would imagine they are, and things like that. The decal sheet, here's all your different variations. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 variations there, or possibly 7, and there's the common decals at the bottom. And under that we have one small photo etch part. This looks like to be something that may be inside the cockpit, I'm not sure. I'll have to have a look when I build it. So onto the instructions. And I've already had a look at these, and they're quite impressive. So first of all, it gives you a little bit of information about the Sopwith. We have the paint guide here, the sprue guide, map plan, and then we come on to the actual build instruction. So as you can see here, they're superbly laid out. They've included these photographs and detailed, so that you can have a look at the actual aircraft, just like you'd look on the web for information and things like that for a build. They're included in this, so it's very detailed photographs and a little bit of information at the bottom of each, how things should go and how it should work. So as you can see, each stage is color coded. The little numbers and figures here will refer to paint, stage guide, and options, obviously. So it's just like a normal instructions, but slightly different laid out. So for instance here, they show you the illustration of all the wires that would be needed to operate the flaps. And so if we go to the next page, and as you can see, it's much the same again. There's a little photograph with the fuselage inside, and the framework to make the cockpit. So just carrying on, and here we go, you've got the wing placements and so forth. The landing gears over here. So we've got the engine makeup now. Again, I love the colour coded. It makes the instructions stand out really well. So here we have the rigging illustration. It's important to remember, with these ones, you don't actually have to have any turnbuckles, because the plane didn't have them. In fact, if I remember correctly, it says so in the instructions not to make any turnbuckles, so I won't be going into that. I'll just place in the rigging. So now we have the different variants. So we've got the one that's on the box here, and then we come on 2 different ones. I really like this one. So I may do this one. I'm not 100% sure what variant I shall do yet. I'll make my mind up once I start the build. And here's the last one here. And then on the back pages, oh, there's the last one, my apologies. We have a little bit more information about each variant and so on, with tags on it to draw your attention to specific areas and how it should be built. So it's a very detailed kit with very detailed instructions, which is excellent. So what's this on the back? This is just the different cores and variations that they sold. Of course, Wingnuts is no longer producing kits, which is the same. So these are getting rarer and rarer to find. You know, so if you do manage to get one, get a hold of one. So anyway, all that's left to say is I'll go have a look at this, decide which variant I'm going to do, then I'll start the build. So in the meantime, if you haven't done so already, why don't you check out the channel for my other builds? There must be something in there by now that may keep your interest. If not, let me know and I'll see what I can do. Hit that like button, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and if you hit that little notification bell, you'll be kept up to date with all my updates. But for now, thank you all very much for watching. Bye bye.